gonna enjoy the show and they'll say, wait, 0 stars.
Well, if you talk like that, they're not gonna enjoy it. Look at you. You look like an angry elephant.
Wait, no stars. This video sucks.
Well, of course, if it sucks, then they won't watch it.
Yeah, that's
And you are the man who's doing it. So, you better make it good. Okay?
This video is bad, the opposite of good. So leave now and watch something else.
They kind of like that. They like that. They probably won't leave, you know. Hey! Finish the mission if you want to go back to the computer.
Look at him.
Look.
He's driving. It's not driving. That's just a toy ride. He's a baby.
Oh, the big waves. I can feel it. I can feel the big waves. It's rocking
Is
the boat.
that for proof? Look at the corner on the top
It's rocking the
screen.
boat.
Where's the waves? I see no seas or seagulls.
Well, I can see the boat swaying left and right. That means there are waves. Come on.
Well, where are the waves? Show
Julian,
me.
do you really want to finish the work? You better do something if you want to finish this job.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, you better start working. You better start working, Julian.
This video is late.
You better start working on it, Julian.
We don't have the faces for the thing.
Julian. Come on, finish the job.
What did I say? We don't have the faces for the
We got work to do, Julian. We get to post this in our YouTube channel. And then we're gonna have a lot of hits like Dan Tidium. We're gonna earn millions.
I'd like to say that.
Well, you better do it right. Oh, Julian, what's the next step is here?
See, I told you, we don't have the goddamn things for that ship.
Julian, do you like the world to see how you talk? Do you like your classmates to see how you talk, to hear how you talk? So, Diego, I think we're finished.
Okay, what's that?
No, we have the part that where you talk. What do you call it? Megaphone. Oh, what do you call this thing?
I'll tell you what it is. It's lame.
Okay, that's done.
Done.
Done. Okay. So let
Not
me see
done.
let me see the finished product.
There. Ha ha.
What's in here?
I
Yeah.
told you we don't have the things for that
Hey,
thing.
where's this going?
Go to the bin.
Hey. So you mean these other bits are not part of that?
The heck are part of it.
How about that tree?
You talk on this side.
Yeah. He should be holding it. Give it to him. Make him hold it. There should be 3 pirates. Where's the other one? Maybe he drowned already.
Yay! I wish the whole
What is
ship
it?
has sunk already.
Huh?
So that we won't
Julian, please. What's this?
Oh,
What's this?
That's junk.
Put it in treasure box.
That's junk.
Who's supposed to wear this?
Look.
Make him wear this.
Oh. Look. That's supposed to be for the captain.
Yeah. He's the captain. Put him here.
Yeah, because of his costume and his hat.
Huh? What's this? You're supposed to wear this. Julian, you're not doing the work. We're not gonna finish. This is for the sword. Move the hat first. Show the camera how you do it so that people will learn. That's the purpose of the channel. To teach people how to make it. You should put this up. Put the hand up so you can insert it properly.
They don't need to build old things, they need to build new things.
Diego, you listen to the master. Look, I'll show you. We'll show them. Look, you should have it this like this.
No!
Diego, please. Have it like that. Then you put it in.
You're wasting my
See?
time.
You have to use your brain. Okay? Oh. Diego, don't be like that. Don't make me, you know, don't make me mad like you. Don't make me mad like you. Boys, you finish the job and you can go.
Dad, and that would be never.
Well, that's what we do if that's the case.
It's like if you don't go to work, you can't play until you work.
That's right. Come on, Jacob. You left finish the job.
We're missing the flag. We're missing this thing. We're missing the flag that goes here.
What are those parts for?
Dad don't have the things we need. The
Hmm?
only thing that we have of use is these things.
Put it in. Put it onto him. Here. Here's the holster. I think it's for a gun.
I tried putting a gun in there. This looks nice. Looks like it is made by noob.
Come on, finish the job.
I know it's like that.
That will do. That's
You
good
said
enough.
just do what you can do, and you said
That's
it,
good enough.
and you didn't let us go.
Julian, come on. Finish the job.
Too big for him. The reason why it's too big for him is because he's a baby.
Julian, please finish the job. How about this part of the winch? Is it there?
Yeah. No.
No, it's not there. Look for it. Look for it over there.
There's no winch.
No, I'm looking for the winch. I'm looking for this cross thing. This.
There's no whiny big fat baby like winch.
That's for the wings. That's for the wings. How about this, Julian? Julian. This light.
What light?
This lantern.
We don't have the lantern. And I'm pretty sure it doesn't glow anyway. Because it's made by amateurs and idiots.
Okay, I'll get some lantern at the back.
Good, yeah. I mean, Daddy, I saw some styrofoam in the hall.
Where?
Styrofoam.
Get it
I can.
inside.
I can.
There might be some good parts in there, important parts.
No, Dad, get it out.
Okay, I'll do it later. Okay. Is it finished?
Yes.
Alright, inspection time. Let me see if it's finished. Diego, while I'm inspecting, excuse me, you try to show them the whole ship, okay? Show the people like this. Look, use the camera. You hold the camera and then show them. You look in here, show them the everything. Hey, you make him work here.
He's not even steering, he's just holding it in place. And what will happen if he comes across the crack and then he just runs way straight for his head?
Okay. Now, here. Because we're gonna put this up in YouTube and sell it. So, you better, Diego, slow movement only. Slow movements. It's slow movements or else. Diego, the viewers will get dizzy. Okay, you slow like that, very slow. You show every part of the ship. I told you we cannot sell it at a good price if you don't set it up nicely. What do you think is this? You think is this for him? No, it's not. I think it's from a different toy. Oh, oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at the butt! Oh my God!
It looks worthless. None of it is important.
Look at this. Show this guy.
It's
He's saving a toast.
worthless.
Yes, show here. Look, the drunk pirate. Look.
That piece of junk is worthless.
Here, Diego, show him. There. Diego, show the thing.
Hi!
Show the
Look
drunk
at
pirate.
the mister!
Come on.
Look at my cup! Look! Look at my precious cup! Oh yeah, I'm looking at your cup. Wait. What?
What's this? What's this? Hey,
Uh-oh.
what's this? Slowly only, Diego, please. How will they watch that movie if they're gonna get dizzy watching it?
Well, they'll request it. They will send a warning them to leave before.
Please talk nicely. Talk nicely. You don't talk like that to people.
Can it
Look
stop?
at this. Is this a? Look at this.
Ditto.
What?
Can it stop? It's not ditto, it's pedo.
Okay, you wanna stop? Hey, where does it go? Okay, is that all? We're gonna tell the people and we're gonna advertise this, okay? Right, so everyone who's interested, you make us an offer. This item is for sale. We will put it up in eBay. And if you wanna buy it before that, you look at that email and phone number we will post with this in our channel and let us know. Make your offer. Okay.